737-1045 at 3child1045 on Twitter. Vaco.com, that's where you need to go if you want out of the dead-end job that you may be confronted with on a daily basis, especially if you are in the accounting world, the technology world, the administration world.
All right, I am at the Shell in Camden where it is snowing. First snow of the year, November 14th. Solid coating, about a few tenths of an inch of snow on the ground. And just a rough guesstimate. I mean, if it's a dusting, it's a heavy one. And first time in Camden, so we'll see how this goes. I believe I was 70s down there. I was on 7 for a little bit before I turned right on, I don't even know what. But this is the road you go from 70 in Camden to Paris. So I'm going north, but I don't know if I'm going to go to Paris yet. We'll see. Cool, like the sky has like a reddish tint. It's like the sun would be setting about now with, a sunny day. Obviously quite the opposite here with light to moderate snow, foggy conditions. Not sure what to make with this tint, but I'm digging it. It is very cool indeed. Glad I'm able to catch some footage of the light here. The roads look decent. I don't know if they've been officially treated, but you can see some of the big flakes, not quite $half size or alligator size, we call them in Tennessee. So this is my first time on this stretch, first time in Camden, so I'm kind of getting a tour of the town in snow, which is not something you can say about, any town I've been to, in this state anyway. The rates. Well, I should say rates, I'm not any other rate apart from the one I'm in now. Perspective where I'm at currently. Camden is you have to go 13 miles northwest off of I-40, exit 133. Most people know that exit because it's there's a lot of resorts, including I believe it's a Whitewater Pearl Resort, Birdsong, or I want to say Birdsong Resort is up 133. So it's like you pass the Tennessee River, you cross the bridge over the Tennessee River, and it's like the first exit on your right, not even a full mile from the river. So I forget, I think I'm on 641 now, but I forget the road that I was on, that I got off of, but I was on 70 for a little bit, and 70, of course, most of us know back home, and it bisects Nashville, west to east, at the latitude marker. I take 70 to get home. I could take 70 from downtown Charlotte exit and ride all the way to White Bluff Road. So, kept going. Oh, there's a Walmart. Sweet. Huzzah. Accumulations are picking up. For sure. there's something very poetic about this moment, something very simple, majestic. You know, you have white fallen snow, you got this reddish purplish tint to the clouds. I'm somewhere I haven't been before, which to me I kind of find a little romantic because you're discovering something for the first time. Talking to no one but myself, but this will eventually go on the air. The Web Waves YouTube channel, among other locations. But we'll know that on November 14th, Cam was out snow chasing, and it was successful. We found snow, we found good rates, we found accumulation. You know, I try to find something that's more than just a snow shower. I like snow squalls, but I like something like this that is more, you know, it's lasting a bit longer than a squall. We got DBZs. You know, I checked at the gas station back there. You know, there's some yellow DBZs, so I guess that's 30 plus. Not sure. I'm not saying right now we're at 30 plus, but now, unfortunately, the dry slotting is taking effect west of here, and there was good returns over Jackson. There was a band coming up that was going to reinforce the one that we're in now, but I think this is going to be it. Once this winds down, this will be it for a couple hours. So that will... Whoa! I think the car went off based on those prints. I'm not sure what's going on. They're turning right. A little slushy road, starting to get a little untreated. So you can hear it. It's a pleasant sound when you feel like you're in control of it, but it gets a little scary when the roads are super untreated and your traction is proving to be the exception out there. This, my friends, is a winter wonderland. This is what I wish could have made it to Nashville, but didn't. It would have been a great story, but let's see, where are we at now? We see a sign. It says Rocky Ridge Road. That doesn't tell me much. Is that a North Carolina? 641, 4 miles officially past the McDonald's and the Shell and Exxon and a couple other restaurants, maybe 2.5 to 3 miles from the Walmart we just passed. And I'm gonna, once I hit the next intersection, yeah, 641 north. I'm gonna have to sign off eventually, but for now, keep going, enjoying this snow. If I want to get home in one piece, and doing this at night is not going to be so fun. So I think next time I have an opportunity to turn around and sign off. So. But at least there's not a whole lot of activity around. Oh, first skid of the winter weather season, right there. You just kind of saw it, heard it. Here's my reaction, and that is my signal to. So enough. Look at this, people. This is what I would like on Christmas if we could swing it. But from where I'm at, in the heart of Camden, November 14th, this has to be one of the earliest accumulating snows on record. And that's why I went ahead and just drove another 50 miles down 40 west, because I wanted to capture some of history. So a lot of people seeing snow today, West Tennessee, Western Kentucky. This is not the earliest snow on record, but it's going to be in their top 2, top 3. So it says a lot about this upper low and the pattern that we've been in, and perhaps a sign of things to come. So signing out. past Tennessee River, taking 70 home, and it's still snowing. We're not quite to Waverly yet, but man, it's been a rude awakening as far as driving these secondaries. Roads aren't really, I don't think they're treated based on how much snow is on the roads compared to the gravel, the grass, the just, you know, other surfaces. So, but it's cool to drive at night just because when it's snowing good, you got that constellation effect that naturally establishes itself, and you're just going. She just started. I feel like you're driving the stars. Thankfully, 70s illuminated for most of the way. So, first time I've ever been on this stretch, so I'm not really sure where I'm at, but it's part of the fun, I guess. So, eventually, the snow is going to turn into more of a wintry mix, and then I don't know if it'll turn to rain, because I've heard that reports back home in White Bluff that things are going to freeze over, so I don't know if that means that sleet, freezing rain are falling, but I wouldn't be surprised if I don't see rain the rest of the way.